Good afternoon, I guess it is now. Good afternoon, y'all. It is Monday. Happy Monday. But I've literally been running around like a chicken with my head cut off today. It is 1:40 now, so I thought I'd finally open my camera and film. I was gonna film like me running around town, but it kind of just got away from me. Penny had to go and get blood work done because she is having surgery on Friday. It's not like a scary surgery, guys. She's just getting, so she doesn't get pregnant from another dog. And she's just such a small Frenchie that we decided it's best for her to not have puppies, which was a really hard decision because when we got her, we were like, we should have her have puppies. But she is literally 15 pounds and her frame is just so small that who we've talked to about breeding her and the vet and everything like that, they weren't sure if her pregnancy would be healthy, if she would be able to carry all of the babies, all that kind of stuff. So that was kind of sad, but she has that surgery on Friday morning, so I had to go take her to get her blood drawn. Then after that, I ran to Plato's Closet to drop some clothes off there. And then after that, I ran to go get my nails done, which they're so pretty if they'll focus. So pretty. Then after that, had to go back to Plato's Closet. Then my car needed washed so bad because I hadn't washed it since we drove to LA. And then after that, the back of my car was full of stuff for Goodwill. So then I went to Goodwill and now we're home and now I'm hungry and I need to eat. But the blood draw went good. Everything went good for Penny. So just really happy that that went well. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. Let's have a great week. I need to mop my floors so bad, but I think I might cold plunge and then do a little workout and then mop. I think I should. Cold plunge done. It was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, honestly, but now I'm going to do a little at-home workout. We have a bunch of workout equipment at our house, so I'm just gonna do one by the pool in the sunshine. It's not like hot out, but the sun feels good still. So let's get to our workout. You wanna go on a walk? Okay, we're gonna take the pups on a little walk. Me. And then I need to finish cleaning and whatnot, but let's go on a little walk with the pups. Also, Drew's stepmom got us this super awesome summer like toy for in the pool. It's like a little putting green, but it floats in the pool. And we're so excited to use it, but the pool is freezing, so he's excited. We're gonna get going. Probably only go about like 4 miles today because I need to finish cleaning like ASAP. Okay, let's get your leashes on, your harnesses. I wrap Mav around my waist because he's so strong and it's so hard to have 2 dogs in your hands. You have no free hand. Ready. So also I did just get this new color for a workout set, but I think it's so cute. I love it. I can't remember the color exactly, but I will link it below for you guys as well. Now I am going to edit for a bit, and then I need to head to Hot Pilates and then the grocery store. Yep. Love the grocery store. I need to get a lot of shiz at the grocery store. We are headed to Hot Pilates. I'm excited to warm up. I still have not warmed up from cold plunging and going on a walk. I'm still freezing. Okay, let's do it. Literally died. It was so good though, but so hot, but loved it. Bless me. Bless me. Now we're headed to the grocery store. Hello. Okay, we're back home now, and call me a weirdo, but I don't really like filming in the grocery store. I told myself today I was going to, but your girl didn't. So I'm gonna give you a little haul now that we're home of what I got. I got some fruits, blueberries, strawberries. And then some rice tonight. I'm gonna do stuffed bell peppers, one of Drew's favorites. And then on Thursday night, some of our friends are coming over and we're doing a little pizza night. So I got some stuff for pizzas, some veggies, peppers, tomatoes, avocados, some more veggies, cucumbers, spring mix, buttered lettuce. If you guys don't buy your lettuce like this, it's literally living lettuce. It's the best. Bananas, got some ground beef for dinner tonight, and then some breakfast sausages because they're Drew's favorite. And then 2 of our favorite coffee creamers because we drink a lot of coffee in this house and go through it fast. Needed more butter. I've been on a hummus kick lately. I love like hummus and pretzels, hummus and carrots, hummus and cucumber, all the good stuff. Greek yogurt, some more eggs, and then got some bread for avocado toast, some of Drew and I's favorite like late night little snack, and then I got some olives because we're gonna do steak salads as well this week for dinner, and then some corn for that, some beans, but the olives also are gonna go on a pizza. So let's put this away. Everything is all put away, and now I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna do my famous avocado toast. It's so good. This avocado isn't quite right, but it'll still work. Just might be a little harder to smash. It's okay. Funny fact, I actually hate the feeling of avocado on my fingers. I don't know why, but I do. It grosses me out. I know a lot of you guys are probably going to ask or be asking where this jacket is from. Amazon. She's so cute. She's so cute. Also, I just tried one of the blueberries. Oh, bomb. Like, I don't know if it's an Oregon girl thing, but when the blueberry like snaps in your mouth and is like, ow, fudge. Not ow fudge, but when it's like, holy cow, that was juicy, sour, like everything all in one. It's blessed blueberry. Avocado toast made. Wow, what a presentation, Kaitlyn. Okay, done eating and cleaning all that stuff up, and I got some packages from some of my favorite brands, so I wanted to share them with you guys. First off, got a package from OSEA. I love their stuff so much. Like, I can't rave about it enough to you guys. So first off, this is what we got. Okay, the body oil is some of my absolute all-time cannot live without favorites. Anti-aging body balm. I have not tried yet, so I'm so excited to try this out. And then I've been wanting their body wash so bad, and I'm so glad that they finally sent it on over. I'm so excited to be sharing these products with you guys in this video. So yeah, thank you so much, OSEA. I do have a coupon code for you guys and a link that you guys can use, and I'll put it down below or on the screen, like right over here for you guys. Thank you so much, OSEA. It is so much later, all fresh and clean, me and all the pups. And now I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm gonna make my bell peppers, stuffed bell peppers.